So is there going to be an upset to the crypto market this week? We've got an event happening later this week that you need to be aware of that could have the potential to upset the crypto market. And it could be an upset in a good way or a bad way. We'll see, and we'll dig into that in this video. All right, so hit that subscribe button, drop a like, tell the algorithm that we are here. So here's what we want to look at real quickly. So the overall crypto market right now is down 0.09. That's good. It's going in the right direction. Okay, so Bitcoin is down 0.15. Ethereum is up. You can see on the 7-day, they're both basically very similar. If we look at kind of what's going on, though, there's really not a lot going on in the 24-hour column. In fact, let's take a look at the biggest gainer right now is Solar. And they were at number 100 yesterday. So they are moving up big time. I have to check into that. I don't even know what those guys do. Okay, so they're up 29%, but everything else outside of this outlier, right, is only up 8%, 4, 3, 3. You can see. So there is really no clear direction, really nothing major going on. Crypto is just in a wait and see mode. And it's in a wait and see mode because we have an event. And the event is going to happen this Friday. And that is when we are going to get the jobs report. Okay. So we are getting basically the employment report, and it's this one right here. So we're going to get the March report on April 7th at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that is Friday. Okay. Now, the stock markets will be closed on Friday because of Good Friday. So just FYI on that. But you can see right now, stocks are actually on fire. Dow's up. Well, the Dow's up and the NASDAQ is down. But right now, the impact of crypto on this employment or jobs report is going to have is kind of directly correlated and in line with what the expectations are. Now, just to put some meat around this, the jobs report is kind of contradictory. You would think that we would be wanting to add jobs. That's exactly the opposite. We want the job market to be constricting, to be going to, to basically be moving down, because that's in line with, trying to curb inflation and all those kind of things. Okay. Now, if we get a report on Friday that's in line with expectations, or it does show constriction, shows movement down, it could be a really good barometer to help move crypto forward. But you can see crypto is not doing anything right now. It is literally just, for lack of a better way to say it, lackadaisical. And so this is kind of breaking news from the standpoint that there's an event. It's Friday. So you got 4 or 5 days leading up to that. I'm not expecting a lot of movement. I'm expecting some, choppy volatility as we lead into this Friday. And then we'll see how the jobs report lays out for us there. Okay. So with that said, have a good one. Take care. And as I always say, hey, go make some money. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button below and drop a like, and I will see you later. Take care.